In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under economic development. So we're going to focus on the subtopic indicators of growth development. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice with for this subtopic. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a country achieves economic development when there is, option A, a sustained increase in per capita income and even distribution of goods and services, an increase in capacity utilization, and increase in military expenditure. So guys, the right answer is option A, which is when there is a sustained increase in per capita income. This question is this one. It says some of the key indicators of underdevelopment in a country are where poverty, low level literacy and low income, poverty, low income and low unemployment level, low level illiteracy, low income and poverty, poverty, high level of literacy and low income. The right answer is option A, which is poverty, low level of literacy and low income. Alright, so that's it for this question, guys. The next question will be this one. It says a major feature of underdeveloped economy is we have excess capacity utilization, low level of unemployment, low level of standard of living, we have low rates of population growth. So guys, the right answer to this question is option C, which is low level of standard of living. So that's a major feature of underdeveloped economy. Okay, the next question is this one. It says which of the following combinations is a veritable set of development indicators? We have high fertility, literacy and school enrollment rate, growth on population and national income, low infant mortality and high per capita income and literacy rates. We have growth of government expenditure and imports. So it says which of the following combination is a veritable set of development indicators? So guys, the right answer to this question is low infant mortality and high capital income and literacy rates. Okay, that's the right answer, option C. Very important. Next question is this one. It says indicator of underdevelopment is low per capita income, low population growth rate, high life expectancy, low birth rate. The right answer is option A, which is low per capita income. This question is this one. It says the major objective of economic growth is to, option A, redistribute income and other benefits of growth, increase the rate per capita income, equalize opportunities for education and employment, increase the aggregate expenditure on goods and services. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is to increase the rate per capita income. The next question is this. It says economic development is reflected in, we have increase in productive capacity, increase in the price level, decline in agricultural production, scarcity of capital. So the right answer is option A, which is economic development is reflected in increase in productive capacity. Okay, the next question is this one. It says in a developing economy, productivity is measured by the output growth ratio, output labor ratio, output per capita. We have capital output ratio. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, which is output labor ratio in a developing economy. Okay, the next question is this one. It says a huge national debt is an indication that the gold reserves of nation has, we have appreciated, depreciated, decreased, stagnated. So the right answer to this question is that a huge national debt is an indication that the gold reserves of a nation has decreased. Okay, the next question is this one, and it says which of the following is not a reason for development? Maintaining a reasonable measure of economic stability, achieving high growth rate, so attain self-sufficiency, to reduce high standard of living. The right answer is option D, to reduce high standard of living. Next question is this one. It says West African countries have low level of economic development due to inefficient plan ineffective plan implementation, failure to plan under population, inadequate labor. Right answer is option A, which is ineffective plan implementation. Next question is this one. It says economic growth is different from economic development because economic growth describes expansion and not change. Describes expansion and change is not measurable but objective. It's measurable but not objective. Right answer is option A, which is it describes expansion and not change. Next question is this one. It says poverty simply refers to the low level of wealth planning, rich people, per capita income, labor. This is meant to be labor force. So the right answer is option C, which is per capita income. So poverty simply refers to low level of per capita income. Next question is this one. It says economic development may be defined as economic growth. We have option A, over a long period, and improve health facilities and improve distribution of wealth in a given country. So the right answer here is option C. Okay, economic growth may be defined as economic growth and improve distribution of wealth. Option C, that's the complete definition of it. Next question is this one. It says the major reason why countries strive to achieve optimum growth is to raise the level of production, reduce aggregate expenditure, be self-sufficient, raise general living standards. The right answer is option D, to raise general living standards. Next question is this one. It says economic growth can be accelerated through increased current investment, increased current consumption, excess current consumption, excess consumption. So the right answer is option A, which is increased current investment. Last question for end this video is this one. It says economic growth takes place when there is an increase in investment over time, savings over time, population over time, output over time. So the right answer is option D, which is output over time. So guys, this is basically how you can deal with problems involving economic development. For the subtopic indicators of growth development, practice with about 18 to 20 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to request in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. So ensure that you are part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button. Where we're getting free information and help you to excel in your SNE exams like your JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the end screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.